It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. This will be a quick hit style video. In quick hits, we're going to be talking about trading options prices, or we're going to have swing prices for stocks. In addition to that, we could also be having swing prices for cryptocurrency. So make sure to stay tuned into this. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. Make sure to stay tuned as here comes the plays.